Third time to the boat. Come on now. Let's see. There he is. Oh yeah, that's a big. Oh shit! Out! 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 Jesus. Yeah, that's probably viral. Get in here, Gus! You killed my fight! Oh, I gotta start over. Get it, hey, Gus, come over here. Gus, Gus, Gus. Gus, come here. Here. Oh. Come on. Yeah, I know, that's worth barking at. Come on, get in your kennel. Oh, no wonder what she did. Here, hey, 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 get in your kennel. Go on, stay. Leave the sturgeon alone. Go to the other side again. Third time to the boat. Hopefully the last. Stay, stay, Gus. That's a big fish. Stay, Gus. Stay, Gus. Stay. All right, here you go. Stay, Gus. God dang it, Gus. Gus. Gus, come here. Gus. Gus. He's looking for him. Gus, come here. 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 Kennel. That's a big fish. That's probably 9 feet. Stay, Gus. Stay. Leave him. Leave him. Leave him. Leave him. Leave him. Leave him. Stay. Stay. See you, buddy. Woohoo! Stay, Gus.